when Mr. Dam came to us and he saw what we were doing, how we were doing, he opened our eyes to what we were doing wrong. Forget system. What you could do without system and what was wrong. So that was something, and he went on the floor and he showed us how to do it. And you see, there's always resistance. People doing, no, this you can't do it this way. That resistance was finished because he was there on the floor and he said, you can do it. And he was, with so much confidence, he was there. He said, do it this way. You're putting so much extra margin, you're wasting everything. Do it this way. I'm here, not the machine. And you see that resistance was gone. Then we manually, without having purchasing system, improved so much. Just because of his guidance, then we got the system. We could see, because I was involved, I could see the difference between what we were doing before, what the system was able to do for us, and now what's the option that TrueCut gave us. It's a hell of a difference. Initially, just because of his training, I think we saved about 7% of our conversion planning. 7% manual, no system. Then we got the system, we saved about 5-6% over there. Then again, we got the cut plan. When we got the cut plan, the layer planning, we had saved another 3%. So our consumption for a product that we were doing, about 70 to 80% of our product was teas, right? The consumption was reduced by about anywhere 12 to 14% per garment. TrueCut software, the planning is done by cut plan. You see, previously you used to just make out one mark and you planned out all your production and you had to. But now the planning is done by cut planner. It lays out, you plan out the fabric that you require and you only plan the fabric that you're going to need. It's a little difference in what we were doing before. You can't imagine that we will be surviving if we had not eliminated that much waste that we were producing. So anything that TrueCut has given us, they've been there, they've backed it up with training, the people are there, they show it to you. It's just saying that it is a possibility. They do it. And the support that they have, it's amazing. You don't have that support. We have the system from Assist. The support was non-existent because they can't back it up. But Mr. Ram has got a team that backs it up. Whatever he's saying, you know there's a person behind it, and anything that he says. Because you see people in marketing tend to say things and they say things that are a little over. But everything that Mr. Ram has said, he's backed it up and it has actually been proven true. So that's why the relationship, the trust level is very different with Mr. Ram. We trust his decision, his recommendation blindly. Because we have never found him to be wrong in any way, in any advice. Our cutting room has totally changed. What it was before, it is so much different now. So few people being able to do so much. I think we had what we were doing with about 100 people. Now we are doing with 22, 23 people. But actually, what we were doing 100 people was less. Now with 22 people, we're doing more. So you want to equate quantity to same quantity, then I think we'll be doing about 12, 13, 14 people. And still there are reasons we know we can eliminate. That's a cultural issue. According to him, we should be less. But you see, we are a little slow that we don't do a lot of drastic things, lot of drastic cutting.